All the media, please make your way outside right now. Please. All the media. All the media, please.
Jump. Kotokole kasa hiding. Jump. Yom say Otumfour say no say ka one nanam na ahia a say be do be bru ka wa kai ko kasa den so eye toto sa friend no aso wo ka so beti bi enti no obeda na akọ prof kasa mu say be ya twatwa ahia no aso mo ka mo so beti bi jom Jom.
I bring you one greeting from Asanteman. I bring you warm greetings from Asanteman and from the government and people of Ghana.
Zo.
It is a distinct honor for me to join you here today at this historic Sankofa Square.
Zo.
The name of this square eloquently reminds us of a timeless truth that it is not a taboo to go back and retrieve what is valuable from the past.
Zo.
Today we gather not merely to celebrate sports, but to celebrate the enduring spirit of the Ghanaian people,
Zo.
our rich culture, and the ever-growing bond between Ghana and Canada.
Zo.
By coming together for this endeavor and opening this Ghana Sports Village, we are planting the rich, vibrant seeds of Ghanaian culture firmly into the fertile soil of Canada.
Zo.
We are building a cultural sanctuary. This village stands as a beacon for Ghanaian unity, a place where our traditions thrive, and a home away from home for the Ghanaian diaspora.
Zo.
Sports and culture have unique divine powers and have always been the great unifiers. They transcend borders, languages, and backgrounds,
Zo.
bringing people together under one umbrella of excellence and camaraderie.
Zo.
Sports and culture break down borders, unite historical adversaries,
Zo.
and heal divisions. As our beloved Black Stars prepare to take the pitch today at the BMO field against Panama, this sports village stands as a symbol of our collective heartbeat. The eyes of the world are upon Toronto, and the pride of our nation rests on the shoulders of our Black Stars.
Zo.
Beyond the excitement of the football matches, this gathering represents a deepening of the economic and cultural bilateral relationship between Ghana and Canada.
Zo.
Yesterday, during our business engagements, we spoke of trade, green energy, and institutional partnerships.
Zo.
Today, through this endeavor, we showcase the cultural infrastructure that underpins those partnerships.
Zo.
Ghana is open for business,
Zo.
open for tourism, and open for collaboration.
Zo.
We invite our Canadian friends to experience the warmth of our heritage through the food,
Zo.
the music, the textiles, and the arts displayed in this village.
Zo.
To our diaspora community in Toronto and across Canada, you are our greatest ambassadors. You carry the resilience, the intellect, and the warm hospitality of our homeland in your everyday lives.
Zo.
Do not lose your identity. Teach your children our language, our
Zo.
customs, and our values.
Zo.
This village is a home away from home, a place together to cheer and to remember who you are.
Zo.
To the government and people of Canada, I extend our deepest gratitude for the hospitality you've shown to our community.
Zo.
The peaceful and welcoming environment you provide allows our people to thrive,
Zo.
innovate, and contribute meaningfully to the Canadian society while proudly retaining their Ghanaian identity.
Zo.
My deepest gratitude to the Canadian Ghana Chamber of Commerce,
Zo.
the Ghana High Commission, and the local Toronto authorities who have worked tirelessly to make this grand vision a reality.
Zo.
Let this sports village be a beacon of our culture and a hub of positive engagement. As we celebrate this Day of Chiefs, let us remember the values of unity, respect, and community that have sustained through the ages.
Zo.
But before I finish, please, let's say thank you also to the Canadian High Commissioner to Ghana, who made it possible for this to come on.
Zo.
She was, and she has been instrumental in my visit. She came to talk to me about, Majesty, when are you visiting Canada? I said, it's in your hands. I don't know when. And she said, I'll make sure you visit Canada.
Sure.
And so my being here, gratitude to her and the Canada-Ghana Chamber of Commerce.
Sure.
We thank you very much.
Sure.
Madam Ambassador and Madam High Commissioner, thank you for making it possible.
Sure.
It was over dinner, and then you jokingly threw this visit up, and I said, how do I go to Canada when I don't have any invitation?
Sure.
And you said, I'll make it possible.
Sure.
And that possibility is now here, and I'm sitting here on the soil of your country. Thank you. It is my singular honor and privilege to declare the Ghana Sports Village at Sankofa Square in Toronto officially open.
Sure.
May God bless our national team. May God bless the Republic of Ghana. And may God bless Canada. Thank you very much.
Asantehene, what's up? Asantehene, what's up? What's up? Asantehene, yeah. Asantehene, yeah. I want everybody to put your hands together for Gabi Kessie. Make some noise. For what's that? Make some noise. Make some noise. Okay. Ladies and gentlemen, Abroma, please, give me 5 minutes. 5 minutes, then you can. I would like to welcome the CEO of Tribe, Mr. Watson Jima, to give us vote of thanks. Please, put your hands together for you, please.
Mr. Obi, I'll make a trick, I'll mix it with English. Naraya Darcy. Yo, I am my words can never ever explain. It's over 40 years since you Gracie to come out with your presence. Believe me that the next 40 years is going to be so great because people have been able to see you, feel you. To everybody, especially to my Ashantis, you gotta be biased a little. Say kutu. Yenyamino. Yenyamino will be a simano. And you're the wedding actually. So you're Asantehene and the person who say, many JB and home. So now, let me say, Nana, let us see.
A round of applause for the CEO of Tribe. Thank you very much. So now, the drummers, one more time.
Let's come on to Toronto, Massey. Asanteman is here. I don't know if I've been the buy. And the sample. The big boy was a irregular hay. The review of the channel. To see my best, he took the hope. Already, more than the good of the whole chair, or the chair, I said, we didn't want. We didn't. Or 10 minutes, please. Look at the also.
Amen. Come back. Hello. Hey, hello, okay, no, it's okay. It's okay. Hey, it's okay. No. Hey, come on.
We all turn into media. We cannot see.
Hey.
Yes, like if you're a media, please just be at the corner. That's
Yeah, move them from here.
If you're a media person, just be
Move
at the
them,
corner.
please.
Just
Please.
be at the corner.
Please,
We've
without
made
due
arrangements
respect.
for all of you guys to be at the corner. Okay. All of these are seated. Everybody's supposed to be seen. So please go to the corner. I just wanted to get to be I want all of them to be at the corner.
Somebody
Like,
references won't turn out from
champion.
that's our
Let's go
chance.
to the corner.
Yeah, I'm trying to.
I'm always kind of so I'm
Move here. You can even move here. All of you guys can pass. Let's go, guys. Let's go.
High commissioner.
That's a high blocking the high commissioners.
Let's go to the side.
Let's go. Can you come a bit further?
Tanoso. Atanoso hine avano.
Daddy, on met now. Team, Debbie, team,
Now between Mahima Afwano.
what are your banning? Young Kofono. See, young Kofono. Manin
How about him?
Okay.
Right here.
Now to the I'm a brave man. I'm a chibare here. Now I'm not supposed to do this.
Yeah, I'm on fire camera. I'm moving to you. Zoom in. Why? Mom must smash.
How come I'm here?
It's funny how I came into media and now I've been.
Let me go up. Because they're pushing back, man.
No, but I'm here. So it's saying.
Have to be a little bit backward.
Now come on. Namo come here. Nako aso ehne.
I'm trying to think where else I would stand.
Now just hima for the decade anymore. When it comes to answer. Aya santua to hima. Ina ona boy yabo ma adam lebu.
I'm requested and then we send it again.
Keep on, what you ever. On a bonne époque, on a passé autour de vous. It can be vice.
Yeah. And if you send me a message, don't be surprised if you don't come in like 3 weeks. Sometimes I see them, I'm done talking at first.
I know, right?
If you can start a little bit by
Former MP, Honorable Eni.
when you zoom,
Obuasi.
Oh, maybe you can get a shot from here. Let's try both.
Honorable MP Asantehene Agogo. Ojuba. Former. Now, former also MP. Honorable. No, so we're organizing some events. I don't know about that on it. We want to put in on Mohammed. But we're organizing some events now. I don't know. Nana what's a quarter event no I don't know. No that no.
Chief engineer. Hello. Yes. Namundi line should be Namombre. So Bukura is in rules for. The line should be Namombre. When you fell.
Yes, sir. You're welcome, sir. Thank you, sir.
And it's in the way, yeah. Mundi line.
Thank you. Appreciate you. Appreciate you.
Good work.
Yes, I appreciate you.
Tell the truth. That's why I like you.
Thank you.
Honorable Canada, the go my here or Zumta Hine, Honorable.
What did he say? Sorry, excuse me.
Canada, go before him.
Hello. Hello. Yes. Come to the front. Where are you? I also there. Which side are you on the mic? I'm not far from where the glass is.
Armebu, wa Sankofa to call. We have a baby. Armebu, right? Chiawu.
Yegu Suntiana, who was here, our men who know, your speed enough, your comments should be Bibiana there by the moon Sembe Bremo, I was saying. Which one is Siana? No, so pay. I saw a video.
I'm not video in the boy.
Send one a year and a course. So, quite blue brand one. I'm saying, no. Landscape now.
Send it in a potency. Yes, I buy baby a guy. Okay.
Okay.
I'm black back now. Okay, okay. Check me here. Okay. Ja. Sa, me hu ya pa. So here. Oh, me da se pa. So that's it. Okay. Eva Casa. Mate, Mami Fama.
What's the sign? Chico.
Tiano from on. That's it. Yo. Yeah, maybe yo. Mate, that's pa yo.
On my speed for the tree.
Okay. Hey, bro. Hey, carpet no. It's with my actually better than kakra na is smooth. Better than kakra. Yo, manye mama nyawa. Must have been video ma.
Video picture video.
Okay. And I said
Baba.
okay.
Yeah, man, I'm going to super. Now you're at the same time. So, I down. Maybe my grandma Ghana and Japan by. Oh no, Ghana and Japan. Yeah.
Wait me ba? Why?
Okay.
Yes, sir. Me who you penny? Okay, Canada on. Okay.
No, not interview.
Okay.
Number my party, right?
On an idea.
Yeah, breakfast.
Me Philippine so friend me now. Me found a number man.
Because I need to.
Okay. Don't. Mami me who now so e. Nem kwada.
Well, see, they're here. There's no seats.
See, I know man I can't from on so there na see so friend.
Seats now are no be those 3 seats now
Yeah, it's that's
Yo. All right. Okay. Hey, honorable. Me kwa basa. Why? Honorable day. Me kwa basa. Me say me pick you. That be say me basa me ntimi sa ma bi. Me fuck akra na ma koto po aba. Oh, the reason show.
So I'm bringing our
yo. Me try to get my money. Why? My balance is here. Why? Oh, I don't know the reason so. I don't know how to try to because
reason R
reason R E A S O N R E
Reason.
Yeah, reason. Yeah.
Okay,
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah, the reason. Oh yeah. I'm not going to post to you know because one of us over small over so mine. Yeah.
Ladies and gentlemen, please. Can we all rise? A sign of respect for the king. And please make a way. Asantehene.
Your focus though is all the way to the right. No, you're let's do that. Let's go, man. Yeah.
The Rizzi Show. You're welcome. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. My brother. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Thank you so much.
Aye. I should be able to call there. Baumia. Why a party leader?
That's all.
Says the way they were MPP in his own head department. That's the Nivana Queen on Nana. That's right. The only time I say a contest in your coin.
Yeah.
In politics, yes, in contest, you can disagree with you.
Yeah.
But that's
Okay,
me. I
so
hate
please, when you get here,
yes.
just bow and exit, please. We're a little bit out of time.
I was not Mr. Machuma. Oh, never. Oh. Nice one. Alaji, good. But my team, Alaji, Toronto, Mati, Yaba, your house here about 4 days in India. Okay. You be live into Wetamenka. You, Alaji.
I met one of your guys. Bobby, yeah. I told him to get. Yeah, oh, wait, cut my number. Yeah, just from a friend. Let me know. More than ever. No, David. Madam, yeah, sorry, I'm so busy here. I have to go. But send me a voice note or something. Yeah, I'll just send me a voice note for me to know exactly what you're saying. When I leave here, I'll send it to you. Hold on. Okay.
Yes, sir.
I'm just saying hi to my brother.
Welcome, sir. Welcome, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, Asante. Yes, we are.
See your boy and then over there. I always stream live and I will
So this is not just for fun. I want you to take a picture for me. It takes away from my work. It's like going to someone's job and telling them, can you help?
I hear
Do you get me?
All right.
Yeah. I'm also working. He's one of the first few people who meet and told us to stand here and everybody was scared. Some of us appreciate it, some of us are getting pushed out. Sankofa.
I get you now.
You say you get me now?
Yeah, I said Akpe.
Ah, you say Akpe?
Oh, yeah.
Kaka, kaka, kaka.
Okay, but you go to China, Oba Ratri back, Oba Kiemina, Ratri back. Ratri. What do you do? Ratri.
Tired.
You are but all maybe they are the one. Now, maybe I never papa.
Although we're not on APC, certain professors go that one. Not many events, just for one. Okay. Yeah, send me the pictures. Okay, thank you. Toronto, I don't know for now.
Thank you. I believe we are overexcited. This is the first time in so many years seeing the king himself. A lot of people call him king, but for us, he's not just a king. He's God on this earth. Nyame Kese. Some people call him Otumfour. But it is an honor, it is a privilege to introduce to you Nyame Kese of our time. His Majesty Otumfour was 82, the second.
Yes, I'm for. Okay. Eti ebusiafo me no ka say Ghana for no e de ani gie ene be hia Asantehene kwai. Ye ba ye ne nananom Ghana for nyina. Yeah. Onio. How are you? Yay! How are you? Yeah, that's my boy. Wow. Oh. Okay. Opeso yankasa kakra Ghana for na. Okay. Ebusiafo manya Becky wa na your friend say Becky. Na na ye wura ba ye cook park dey na woka.
Ye nio Nana Ju 2.
That's right.
Nana Ju 2.
That's right.
And Toronto man ye ni agia kasa. Baba ha 30 years ago. Ye hu bibi say that was Toronto. Eti desa Otumfour aba. Na ye nyina abegyina ne na asia. Na dia sidama Ghana for.
That's right.
Say na dia mo jana na maye. Ya da mase bebre.
That's right. Mo why there? Eti ano so no. Jejina try the picture my wife. Hey, I come here. Oh, sorry. Jennifer no so pictures, yeah. Mo bin trying to film man try ye. Try no. Yes, stand so picture pa try ye. Right. Bishop come in.
Oh. Between near and random,
yeah, that's it. Okay. Wanya no. Okay. Tia da so wate. Ya da say. Ya fe yang kuya ni. Yo, I'm okay. Young go.
Yeah. When you bema ba ko pe.
That's right.
And now about Toronto.
Yapa.
One here crown ko bi.
Yapa.
Rizzy number 1 ba ko pe ono anie no size.
Yes sir.
Sekutu say bam. And no de ani bia.
No de ani bia. Yaba.
Yes,
Asantehene.
Yabo yaba. Toronto Square.
Yabo yaba.
Omo nyina wo downtown.
My dear. My dear. Take care, okay? Bros, send me your call. Good. That's right. Yes, you had the mercy. You just see me and the power of me in Makasa. Okay.